Hey everyone! Welcome to English Phrases Hub, your go-to channel for mastering English with practical phrases and real-life conversations. Today we're diving into an essential workplace skill, small talk. Whether it's a quick chat by the coffee machine, a networking event, or a virtual meeting, knowing the right phrases can help you connect with colleagues effortlessly. Plus, we'll touch on cultural differences to ensure you navigate conversations smoothly, wherever you are. So, are you ready? Let's start. Why small talk matters. Small talk isn't just meaningless chatter, it's the key to building trust, showing empathy, and creating opportunities. But if you're not a native English speaker, it can sometimes feel a bit awkward. Networking events, in particular, can be intimidating. The trick? Start with simple, open ended questions to break the ice. Here are some useful phrases to kick off conversations at networking events. Hi, nice to meet you. What brought you here today? Have you been to this event before? What do you enjoy most about your job? Are you working on any interesting projects at the moment? How's your day going so far? Working on anything exciting this week? I loved your presentation yesterday. How did you prepare for it? People love talking about themselves. Ask questions, listen actively, and follow up to keep the conversation flowing. Conversation example. Hi, Sarah. How's your day going? Busy, but good. We're launching the new project today. Oh, exciting. What's the biggest challenge so far? Notice how Joni kept the conversation going by asking a follow-up question? Small talk is all about showing interest. Part 2. Small talk in virtual meetings. Virtual meetings can be awkward. Silence, frozen screens. Let's fix that. Virtual meetings often begin with a few minutes of waiting for others to join. Use this time to break the ice. Here are some useful phrases to get the conversation going. How's everyone doing today? It's great to see everyone. How was your weekend? Has anyone watched any interesting shows lately? How's the weather where you are? I've been experimenting with tool software. Any tips? Has anyone tried any new recipes lately? I just finished a great book. Anyone reading something interesting? Now that we've covered small talk phrases for the waiting period, let's move on to the key phrases you'll need during a virtual meeting. Checking for understanding. Does that make sense to everyone? Would you like me to repeat or clarify anything? Any questions before we move on? Does anyone need more details on that? Would an example help clarify this point? Useful phrases for handling tech issues in virtual meetings. I think you're on mute. We can't hear you. I'm experiencing a bit of lag. Can you repeat that? Looks like name got disconnected. Let's wait a moment. Can you confirm if my screen is visible to everyone? Could you scroll down a bit? I'm unable to see the full report. Pro tip: avoid personal topics like family or health on video calls. Keep it light and professional. Conversation example.
Hi, Mark. How's the weather in Tokyo? Rainy as always. How's Berlin? Sunny for once. Ready for the Q2 review?
Weather is a safe topic, but notice how the conversation smoothly transitions to work. Part 3. Casual chats during coffee breaks. Coffee breaks are perfect for casual conversation. Keep it light and friendly. Try these useful phrases. Do you have any plans for the weekend? That's an interesting mug. Where did you get it? Have you tried the new cafe near the office? How's your day going so far? I heard some music playing at your desk. What are you listening to? I'm thinking of taking a short trip soon. Any recommendations? Keep coffee break conversations light and engaging. This is a great chance to bond with colleagues without talking about work. Conversation example. Hey Alex, have you tried the new cafe near the office? Not yet. I've heard they have amazing pastries. Have you been? Yeah, I went yesterday. Their cappuccino is fantastic. See how person one keeps it friendly and casual? Small talk like this helps build great workplace connections. Part 4, Cultural Differences, Topics to Avoid. Small talk varies across cultures. To stay respectful, here are topics to avoid in different regions. In the US and UK, avoid discussing salaries, politics, and set religion unless you're very familiar with the person. In Germany and Nordic countries, skip. How's it going? They'll give you a detailed answer. Be direct but polite. In Japan and South Korea, avoid personal questions about family, marital status, or finances. They can be seen as intrusive. Instead, talk about food, travel, or hobbies. In Brazil and Mexico, personal topics like family and weekend plans are welcome. Conversations are warm and friendly. In Middle Eastern countries, stay away from politics and religion. Instead, compliment hospitality or discuss culture and traditions. Always read the room. Steer clear of sensitive topics unless the other person brings them up first. Remember, small talk isn't just about filling silence, it's about building relationships and making genuine connections. Practice these phrases, stay mindful of cultural differences, and you'll be a pro at office small talk in no time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to English Phrases Hub for more useful tips. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to small talk phrase? Or let me know any topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.